Hi everyone, I'm Ben. Welcome to my channel. It's been a long time since I've made a video. I'm not going to go into all the reasons why, but suffice to say I'm out here now and kind of got the itch to do something. So I was going through a box of tools that was given to me by 357 Magdad, and in it was this. It's a perfect handle screwdriver. It's small, very small, you know, and it's probably more work than I'm really capable of fixing. Well, I'm not going to say that. That's not true. I've never done this much work on something before, and that is it's bent. I need to straighten it. It's really rusted. That we can deal with, but the scales need to be replaced, and I have never ever done that in my life. So I ordered some brass rod or copper brass rod, I guess, from Amazon, and I'm just going to try, and if I screw it up, well, then I screwed up. So you get to watch. Well, that turned out pretty good. I wish it would have turned out better, but that's always the case. Considering I've never ever done scales before, you know, props to me. I'm proud of myself. But anyway, that's it. I'm sorry I haven't done a video in a while. I actually started this intro before the virus started, and it took me a long time to come out here and get the thing finished, and I apologize for that. I need to dig around in there and find something that'll be fun and interesting to work on, and hopefully we'll get on that pretty soon. But in the meantime, I hope everyone is staying home and staying safe. This is the weirdest time in my life. I mean, I don't think any of us have ever experienced something like this before. So good luck to all of you, and I wish you well. Thanks very much for watching. Talk to you soon. Bye.